Hey, it's Ross. As you juggle tasks for multiple projects, you've probably had the thought, there has to be a better way. Good news, there is. Welcome to mywork. Today, I'll show you how to conquer everything on your plate with our personal digital planner. Let's get started. Find the mywork section within the left navigation. Here you'll see everything assigned to you across your entire account. Keep in mind, for this feature to work, you need to have a people column and be assigned to specific tasks. Items are categorized in 5 sections according to date, or this 6th section for those items with no due date. You'll see which board the item is in, the group it belongs to, and the status. Assigned sub-items will appear like the rest of your items, but you'll see the board name will indicate that it's a sub-item. And you're able to see the original parent item by clicking on this icon. Easy peasy. The best part of mywork? You can manage everything right from this screen without switching boards. Talk about a time saver. Just open up an item card and edit anything you need, including attaching files or writing updates. And all of these changes are reflected automatically on their respective boards. Cool, right? You can imagine the space can get pretty busy, especially if you're part of multiple boards and projects. We can help with that. Quickly narrow results with this handy search tool. And see only outstanding tasks by hiding items marked as done. Customize the view to your liking from this menu, where you can deselect any board from showing, and choose which status and date columns from each board the tool should be following, and even check on other team members' backlog of tasks, perfect for managers staying on top of the team's workload. And pro tip, each item has their own individual menu for quick access if you don't want to scroll through the main settings area. You can mark this type of status label from this board as done, hide the board this item belongs to from the mywork section, show different status or date columns from the item, or archive and delete the item itself. Finally, utilize the mywork section in the mondaydotcom mobile app. Open item cards to make changes, communicate with your team, and mark things as done. Easy. And there you have it. Use mywork to show and tackle all tasks assigned to you or others across your monday.com account. Bye for now. Click here for more on monday.com.